Hi, my name is Eric Schimel. I'm a Pilates instructor from northern New Jersey, and I'm the author of Parrot, Siderophobia, The Zen Graph, Generation Ships, and The Wrong War Gang. I completed the Writers of the Future online training course in June. It's my certificate, I'm very proud of it. It was a huge help to me. I got a great deal out of it. I think the first one took me 3 weeks to complete. I've been trying to learn to write, trying to get published for about 3 years at that point, and I've been to a lot of seminars and I've taken some workshops. The Writers of the Future online workshop, despite being free, is as well conceived and as well laid out as any of them. Y'all, doing a workshop is all about trapping yourself in a room and making yourself watch or listen to something enough times that you get a little bit juiced up and excited to tackle a writing exercise. That's the rhythm of it, right? Well, this program is perfect for that. You get a little success, you get a little discipline, and when you're done with each piece, your story is a little stronger and a little bit further along. The process wound up working so well for me that I repeated it 4 more times and ended up producing a novel. I owe the program a great deal for that. It wound up making my time extremely productive, and I got a lot out of it. I was practically raised by Orson Scott Card. I've been reading him since I was 13. So to see him in those videos talking about what it was like for him to write his stories, hey, get you right there. And the early stuff by L. Ron Hubbard about writing is just a sliced fried gold, right? The guy really loves to write, and he's passing that pleasure along in his essays about the work. I got some discipline out of it. I definitely feel like it made me a better writer. Most of the people in my life who read my work said that doing this workshop improved the quality of my writing. That's the truth. Well, that's it. Thank you for listening. On a personal note, I'd like to say that I believe that writing is about 50% talking in funny voices by yourself and playing with your dog's face, and 50% just not leaving the room until something gets done. And so, in the interest of the second part, of containing your energies and making them valuable, I really recommend that you learn to do something with your hands.